Good evening, Dr. Vikram.
Good evening.
Dr. Vikram, this allergy problem is very common these days. Even the people I know, they sneeze in the early morning when they wake up. They get sneezing attack, you can say. So basically, nasal allergy or allergic rhinitis, and there are many other allergies, pollen allergies. These are very common these days. So please tell us about the causes and treatment of this condition.
Allergy is basically our immune system's reaction to the antigens. Whenever there is some virus or some pollen or some anything in the air,
Okay.
which you are allergic to, so your body reacts to that and wants to get rid of that by sneezing, by coughing. I'm talking about the nasal allergies.
Okay.
People respiratory allergies. I'm talking about the respiratory system allergies.
Uh-huh.
So people their system is not accumulating the allergens. Sometimes they get allergic to it.
Okay.
So the immune system is hyperactive. That is called hypersensitivity.
Oh.
So the people are hypersensitive to certain things like pollen.
Yeah, not everyone is suffering.
Not everyone is suffering. Some are allergic to dust. Some people they cannot tolerate dust at all.
Yeah.
So immediately there is sneezing or some attack is there. Some hypersensitivity is there. So this hypersensitive reaction, if sometimes the people they use steroid pumps, they use steroid tablets, they use anti-allergic pills like cetirizine or some other pills. So that is not the right method to get rid of allergy.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what is available in Ayurveda and for long-term cure of this condition?
In Ayurveda there are so many wonderful medicines which are recommended for treatment of allergy. Curcumin is one of them. Turmeric is very simple spice. It is available everywhere around the world. So mainly grows in India and these tropical countries.
Okay.
So curcumin rhizome, the extract is made from that rhizome. And that extract comes in the form of curcumin capsules.
Okay.
Curcumin is very useful for tackling the allergy problem. So it stops the reaction of our antibodies, our immune system with the allergens, with the antigens. If there is a virus, if there is a pollen grain, if there is any dust or whatever outside antigen is there, the reaction is stopped. And even the this curcumin is antibacterial, antiviral, and stops anti-inflammatory. It stops the inflammation in between our immune system and the allergens.
Okay.
So another thing, another herb is tulsi. Tulsi is best anti-inflammatory, anti-allergic, anti-cancer. Holy basil it is known as. Very popular as holy basil.
Found in every household in India.
In children, in every household there is tulsi tea is taken. Tulsi leaves they are grinded and they are given to children. Whosoever is having this sneezing problem, allergy problem, even the viral cough and cold. Whenever someone gets any respiratory tract disease, people are given
it's very commonly used
juice.
Okay.
So tulsi capsules can be given if someone is allergic and in allergic rhinitis, in the dust allergy, even in asthma also. It's wonderful combination with the turmeric.
Okay.
There is a combination. There is a wonderful plant called Albizia labac. It is called Shirish in Ayurveda. Shirish is very common in India. It is growing everywhere. And it's a plant of the Leguminaceae family. And the bark of the tree, Albizia labac, is very useful for all sort of allergies. Even if it is skin allergy or respiratory allergy or the wheat allergy or urticaria, when in some cases there are some rashes all over the body and some red patches all over the body. In that case is also this other than respiratory allergies, this Shirish is wonderful in all sort of allergies. It is called Vishghan in Ayurveda. And Vishghan means vish is poison. Ghan means to get rid of poison. So all sort of poisons it takes care. So the combination I recommend to my patient is This tulsi and curcumin and this pran rakshak, which contains this vishkan, this
Okay.
shirish,
Okay.
this Albizia labak. So this is the powder pran rakshak. Pran means the life. Rakshak means to provide, to guard,
Okay.
to protect.
Okay.
So it guards the life.
Lifeguard.
It's a lifeguard.
Yeah,
So
great.
this pran rakshak powder is there. It's made a combination about 8 to 10 herbs,
Uh-huh.
which are very good anti-allergic, natural.
Okay.
So I'm using them for asthma also.
Uh-huh.
With patients suffering from asthma, from allergic rhinitis, from people who are having nasal polyps.
Uh-huh.
This combination is very good for nasal polyps, for allergic rhinitis, for dust allergy, for urticarial rashes,
Uh-huh.
for all the red patches and
Okay,
this,
skin allergies.
and all sort of allergies.
Okay. So, Dr. Vikram, this combination need to be used for how long to get rid of the allergy?
One gets results within 15-20 days,
Okay.
10 to 20 days,
Uh-huh.
and it should be used for about 3 to 6 months
Okay. For permanent
for
relief.
permanent relief.
Okay. Thank you very much, Dr. Vikram, for sharing
Thank
information.
you.
Thank you.